name is Corban. So today I'm going to make my favorite cookies. And now,
what do you need? You need
flour tortillas.
You need melted butter
Melted butter.
and some
Sugar, cinnamon.
sugar and cinnamon. So what do you do first, Corbin?
And you gotta do that.
You put the cookie cutter on the tortilla and you cut out your shapes. And what are we making? What is that?
A pumpkin.
Yeah. And you're doing a leaf.
We're doing a leaf.
Right, take the leaf out and I'll do a leaf. Okay. So we've got pumpkins and leaves because we're making fall cinnamon chips, right?
Play-Doh too. Funny leaf.
Okay. We're going to the next step.
These. Got it. And we're gonna dip it in.
And what is that? You're making them out of flour tortillas.
Yeah. And now you need to put some sugar,
And cinnamon.
cinnamon. Now you're gonna push it there, and then you push it right over there.
Yep. Then what do you do?
And you gotta put it right there.
So we're going to bake them
And we're gonna bake them
in the oven,
in the oven,
350
350
for about 10 minutes.
for about 10 minutes.
Okay, now finish up, get going.
And I'm gonna point it right over here.
Other side.
And now other side, right over here. Push it here. And then you put it in the oven.
Okay,
And time slice.
I'll do it. I'm gonna do it bake 350 for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay. You excited?
Yep. Now it's done, and now it's time to have a taste test. Here you go.
You good?
Yeah, it is good. Thank you for watching from my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.